Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Colder air will be moving into the region this evening. A cold front passing through. We'll be down to the freezing mark by 11 o'clock, and with some moisture still around, the potential will exist for some ice late this evening and overnight. Some freezing rain will be possible, a brief period of that, and then we could transition over to some snow with some small accumulations. I don't think we'll see anything tomorrow morning for the morning commute falling out of the sky. Still could be some leftover slick spots, though, with cloudy skies in 27. 33 degrees at noon with cloudy conditions, and then some breaks in the clouds later in the day, and a temperature of 34 at 5 p.m. So rain changing to a wintry mix this evening. In our weather headlines, inch or less of snow accumulation with slick spots. Cloudy, colder Thursday. It'll be dry for New Year's Eve, and then freezing rain New Year's morning and rain likely in the afternoon. Now, right now, the way it's going to break down is like this. If you're heading out for New Year's Eve, 31 degrees at midnight with cloudy skies, but at least we're not expecting any precipitation. But late night, there could be some freezing rain to start New Year's Day, and then late in the day on New Year's, we'll be up to 53 with some rain expected in the late morning and afternoon as we see some of that warmer air come in. Tonight, though, colder air moving in with mid-20s around Richmond and Eaton, 25, about 27 in Dayton. Up north, we'll see nighttime lows also dropping into the mid to upper 20s, and then daytime highs tomorrow barely above freezing or around freezing in the northern counties, and readings could climb up into the mid-30s here along and south of Interstate 70. High temperatures Friday, staying chilly up north, only near 40 at Wapakoneta, but we could see readings here reach the low 50s, but that may not happen till very late afternoon or into the early evening hours. We've been tracking rain across the region this evening on the Goodwill Auto Auction camera. Rain still coming down tonight here in the Dayton area, as you can see, and even some pockets of moderate rain coming up from the southwest. And then farther to the west, look at that blue beginning to show up. Getting a lot of surface reports now of snow from around Indianapolis, points northward up to Fort Wayne, and gradually that will transition, the rain will transition to snow as the colder air comes in across the region through the evening. Our future track snowfall forecast, you can see it painting some numbers there, getting those totals up there with at least a few tenths of an inch in many locations, generally an inch or less expected overnight. Right now in Dayton, we have a temperature still at 50, but it won't be there much longer. A southwest wind at 12. It's already down to 42 at Greenville, 37 at Richmond, as the colder air is beginning to come in from the west. So we'll go over to that snow, maybe a little brief period of freezing rain for a while this evening, but later tonight that all moves south of us, so you'll head out the door tomorrow morning with dry conditions, cloudy skies. Could see some breaks in the clouds later in the day, and then that moisture surges back north, dry for midnight on New Year's Eve, but then we'll see that chance of freezing rain in the morning on New Year's Day. 27 the low tonight. Look for an inch or less of snow accumulation overnight. Watch out for slick spots as we see that transition take place this evening. Mostly cloudy, colder for tomorrow. High temperature at 36 and 30 at 10, 33 at noon, and then up into the mid-30s in the afternoon. Freezing rain over to rain on Friday with a high temperature of 53. Saturday, cloudy and 44. Upper 30s on Sunday. There will be a chance of rain and snow showers, and we're back into the 40s early next week.